In this video, I'm going to show you how to get luck and playtime luck in the Growy Garden in Roblox. So, of course, as you probably know, luck is very important in this game because, of course, with luck, everything is much easier. Now, the easiest way to get it, but this will cost you some Robux, is to just press Q on your keyboard. And then up here, as you can see, if you purchase these super seed packs over here for 1050 Robux right now, you can get X 10,000 luck. So plus 10,000 luck is what you'll get if you buy these. But the downside over here is you actually have to spend Robux, which nobody wants. Now, there's also a free way to do it. Now, I do believe that whenever you basically claim these forever pack items and get some of them, you can also get luck over here. And there's a hidden thing which isn't really visible anywhere in the game. At least I wasn't able to find it, but I was able to find it online, and it's actually quite a big secret. Now, to get the playtime luck, it's actually just like luck, but you get it with playing the game. So if you are actively playing the game for like 5 minutes, you get plus 10% luck. So just 5 minutes will get you plus 10% luck. If you play for 10 minutes actively, you'll get plus 25%. If you play for 25 minutes, you'll get plus 50% luck. If you play for 45 minutes, you will get plus 75% luck. And then if you play for over 75 minutes at once you're active, you will get plus 100% luck. So I read this somewhere. Apparently it is true. There's no way to actually see it over here inside the game. I have yet to be able to find it, so I haven't actually found it yet, but people are saying, and there's posts online with actual images which do show that you get the playtime luck whenever you basically are just playing for a long time or a longer period of time. So basically the ultimate combo would be to just press Q and then buy this with Robux as well as play for a long time. So if you actually get this, and if you play for like 75 minutes, you will get like double this, so 20,000 luck, which is just incredible, and it's unheard of in the game. But yeah, that's pretty much the ways on how you can get yourself some luck and playtime luck in Growy Garden Roblox. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.